Hello everyone! Today we are going to be unboxing Moving Beyond the Pages age 10 to 12 full year package for science, social studies, and language arts. This is everything you need to complete those subjects for 6th grade. So let's get into it. Right on top, you're going to find a new catalog. This is great for planning ahead or if you need more materials throughout the year. Keep that with your records. On top, you're also going to find a very important document, which is your packing list. Definitely go through your materials, check off your packing list, and keep it in your records. Also, if you are a charter school parent or someone who has ordered through some other sort of organization, you need the packing slip because it has your order code on it, so that way you can import your order to your personal account so you can get into our online curriculum which comes with your purchase. You're also going to find the brine shrimp eggs right on top. Go ahead and pop those in the freezer so that we can make sure they work when it's time to use them. In the age 10 to 12 curriculum, you're going to have 12 language arts units and 12 science and social studies units. Those are going to integrate across the subjects. You'll have a total of 24 unit books with your order. The language arts unit books are The Wanderer, The People of Sparks, Short Stories, Bull Run, Albert Einstein, Number the Stars, Tuck Everlasting, Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry, The Giver, Esperanza Rising, The Tree That Time Built, The Secret of the Andes. Your science and social studies books are Our Changing Earth, Weather and Climate, Geography and Landforms, Slavery and the Civil War, Force and Motion, World Wars I and II, Matter, Civil Rights, Chemical Change, Cells, North and South America, Incas, Aztecs, and Mayas. So as you can see, that's a large amount of unit books, but you're going to be using them 2 at a time throughout the year. Now you know Moving Beyond the Page is a literature-based curriculum, so of course you're going to get a lot of beautiful literature books. We have Lois Lowry's Number the Stars, Lois Lowry's The Giver, Mildred D. Taylor's Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry, Bull Run by Paul Fleischman, Shelf Life Stories by the Book by Gary Paulson, City of Ember, The People of Sparks, What Was the Great Depression, Classic Short Stories Collection compiled by Moving Beyond the Page, The Secret of the Andes by Anne Nolan Clark, Esperanza Rising by Pam Munoz Ryan, Natalie Babbitt's Tuck Everlasting, Giants of Science, Albert Einstein, The Wanderer, The Tree That Time Built, A History of Us, War, Peace, and All That Jazz, A History of Us, War, Terrible War, Kitchen Chemistry, Cool Crystals, Rockin' Reactions, and Magical Mixtures, Dirtmeister's Nitty Gritty Planet Earth, Geography of the World, Pink and Say, Fizz Bubble and Flash, Element Explorations and Atom Adventures, Eyewitness Weather, The Quest for Personal Best, Individual Sports, Eyewitness Books, Aztec, Inca, and Maya, Nobody Gonna Turn Me Round, Stories and Songs of the Civil Rights Movement, Where Poppies Grow, The Geography Book, The Basics of Cell Life with Max Axiom, Super Scientist. So along with Moving Beyond the Pages' beautiful list of literature books, you're also going to get your manipulatives, okay? So we have a few things in here. There's a dolphin bead activity that goes with The Wanderer, a fossils kit. You're also going to have your timeline, your world history timeline, and along with that comes some timeline cards to place on the timeline. So that's really great for making those connections visually to see across time. A Latin, Greek, and English roots card game, so you'll get Beyond Roots. You're Moving Beyond the Page parts of speech cards, as well as a periodic table of elements, a nice big pack of Sculpey air dry clay. You're also going to receive a semester science kit for both semesters. So this is the semester 1 science kit, and what's really cool about this is we've added a little QR code here. You can just scan it with your phone and it's going to give a full list of what's inside. So here's semester 1, and this is our semester 2 kit. Now I mentioned the brine shrimp earlier. This is part of some of your science kit too, but it's separated so that way you can pull it out and make sure you put it in the freezer. So here's what the inside of your semester 1 science kit will look like. As you can see, there are all kinds of things in there. You've got cups, balloons, a little bit of sand, and each one is labeled. So like you can see right here, this one says Unit 2 Force and Motion Lesson 2. So when you go to gather your materials each day, you'll be able to go right to your kit and find exactly what you need. Let's take a peek of our semester 2 kit. More bags of goodies. So you've got each of these individually wrapped. And there are some things that are rather small. So make sure you keep them all in the box. Like this right here, this chemical change, these litmus strips, those would be easy to lose if you didn't keep them in the baggie and keep them in the box. So in your semester 2 kit, you're also going to find this game called Science Ninjas Balance, which looks really fun, and I know that my 6th graders are going to really look forward to playing this later.
You can explore all of our materials at movingbeyondthepage.com. If you have questions, please contact us at 979-314-9938 or info@movingbeyondthepage.com. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Moving Beyond the Page content, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for information regarding education and Moving Beyond the Page updates.